Hello. So I decided that to make this blooper reel because not every video goes the way I anticipate. I don't have any notes. I don't have anything. Everything that I do on the video is usually just off the top of my head, and so everything I do up here is on the fly. And so I decided to make this blooper reel because I had a lot of outtakes that I just got rid of because, I'm trying to make a video that's as smooth as possible. But sometimes it's kind of fun to see some of the mistakes, the goofiness that goes on. And so I hope that you enjoy watching this blooper video. And thank you for watching my videos. And please like, subscribe, share, and tell your friends. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and I'm going to do a little magic. There, okay. All right. Oh. Hi. So today we're going to be talking about dividing fractions. Now, if you remember, let's scrap that. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about dividing fractions. We don't really divide fractions. What we do is we multiply them, and I'll show you how we do that. Since the last video was multiplying fractions, it should be fairly easy. We just do an extra step, and then we've divided them. So let's take a look. Let's scrap that. Okay, cut. All right, moving on. K. All right, cut. Where are we at? 50 seconds. Okay. All right, cut. Hi. So today we're going to be talking about dividing fractions. Now, if you remember in a previous video, we talked about reciprocals. And a reciprocal is just where you take a fraction, like let's say 5/9, and we just turn it around so that it is 9/5. Hello, I'm Mr. Black. And today we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. Now, fractions, some people can get a little, we're going to cut that. Hello, I'm Mr. Black. And today we're going to be talking about multiplying fractions. Now, when people think of fractions, they can kind of get a little uneasy because they're like, well, how do I multiply part of a number by another part of a number and so forth? It's really not that difficult if you just think about what you're doing. Now, a fraction is nothing more. Let's go ahead and cut that. Now, like any other problem, you've got okay. All right. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about multiplying fractions. Now, some people get a little freaked out when they hear fractions because they're like, well, it's a part of a number, and we're going to cut that. Okay. All right. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about multiplying fractions. Now, some people get a little uneasy when they hear fractions, but like I tell my students, a fraction is nothing more than a division problem, and I'll explain. So, first off, let's look at our division symbol. Now, if you look at that, it looks like a fraction. You've got your division bar, and you've got a dot above and a dot below representing your numerator and your denominator. And that's all a fraction is. It's just part of a number. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we can do with multiplying fractions. Cut. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to talk about division with fractions. Okay, now let me explain. Okay, let's cut that out. Boy. All right. Hello. So today we're going to talk about dividing fractions. Excuse me. Let's cut that. All right. So today, okay, let's cut that. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about dividing. Now, division is something that confuses a lot of people. They're not sure how many times something goes into something. Let's go ahead and cut that. Okay, so, hello. Let me dismiss this. Okay. Anybody in there? All right. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about division. Now, division can get a lot of people confused as far as how many times something goes into something, and so forth. It's really not that difficult of a concept, and we'll explain it in this video. So, all right, so today we're going to be talking about dividing whole numbers and decimals. Okay, now decimals can be a little bit trickier when it comes to division, but they're not difficult to understand the concept. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to have a division of what? Let's cut that. Okay. Hello, I'm Mr. Black. And today, in Mr. Black Explains, we're going to talk about division. Now, division can be a concept that can baffle a lot of people. So today we're going to be discussing how division works. Okay, so first off, we're going to be dividing whole numbers. We're going to be dividing fractions. Excuse me. Let's cut that. Okay. Hello, I'm Mr. Black. And today we're going to be talking about division. Now, division can be one of those concepts that can baffle some people. But if you understand the concepts of how many times something will go into another number, they're really not that difficult to explain. Okay, and we'll be discussing division of whole numbers and division of fractions. I say that every time. Let's try that again. Okay. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about division. Now, division can be a concept that baffles some people as far as, well, what do you mean? How many times will something go into another number, or one number will go into another? It's not that difficult of a concept if you just understand that you're putting one number into another. And let's cut that. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and today we're going to be talking about place value. Now, the reason that I'm doing this video, well, let's skip that. Cut that out. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and I enjoy making these videos of these concepts that I enjoy teaching my students. All right, let's cut that. Hello, I'm Mr. Black. All right, let's cut that. Hello, I'm Mr. Black, and I really enjoy making these videos that that show concepts, mathematical concepts that I teach my students. And I enjoy sharing what I know, and sometimes maybe ways of doing problems that let's cut that.